If Chromecasting is not working on your Windows PC, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. This is a common issue when Windows is blocking device discovery, your network is set to public, or security software is interfering with the connection to your Chromecast or smart TV. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust the settings that allow Chrome and Windows to detect your casting device properly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to check is your network profile. If your network is set to public, Windows treats your PC like it's on an untrusted network, which can hide your computer from other devices and stop Chrome from finding your Chromecast or smart TV. To fix that, look at the bottom right corner of your taskbar and click the Wi-Fi or network icon. Then click on the network you are currently connected to and open Properties. Once you're inside the network settings, find the Network Profile section and change it from public to private. This tells Windows that you're on a trusted home or office network, which helps enable device visibility and makes casting much more reliable. After switching the network profile, the next thing to do is enable Network Discovery. This is one of the most important settings for casting because it allows your Windows PC to see other devices on the network. To do that, click the Start menu and open Settings using the gear icon. From there, go into Network and Internet, then click Status on the left side. On the right, select Network and Sharing Center. Inside that window, click Change Advanced Sharing Settings from the left panel. Now expand your private network profile. Here, turn on Network Discovery and also check the option to turn on Automatic Setup of Network-Connected Devices. This helps Windows detect your Chromecast, TV, or other casting device automatically without extra setup. Once those settings are enabled, it's a good idea to test Chromecasting again. Open Chrome, click the three-dot menu, and try casting to your device. In many cases, these two changes are enough to bring the casting option back and let everything connect normally. If it still doesn't work, then the next thing to check is whether third-party antivirus software is blocking the connection. Some antivirus programs can be overly aggressive and prevent local devices from communicating, even when your Windows and Chrome settings are correct. If you have third-party antivirus installed, temporarily turn it off and test casting again. Be careful here and only disable it long enough to see whether it is causing the issue. If casting starts working after turning it off, then you found the problem, and you may need to adjust the antivirus firewall settings or add Chrome and your casting device to the allowed list. If it still doesn't work, you can turn the antivirus back on after testing. To finish up, the most important things to remember are to keep your network set to private, make sure Network Discovery is enabled, and check whether security software is interfering. These steps solve a lot of Chromecasting problems on Windows, especially when the device isn't showing up at all. Take your time, follow each step carefully, and you should be able to get casting working again without too much trouble. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Windows and Chrome troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.